try this again. It's morning time. I've been pinning meetings for a couple of hours. Wow, it's a beautiful day here. A little bit of a light wind, but it's nice. Wow. We are good morning from Krakow, Poland. Wow, this is pretty cool. Woo. Just about 300 miles to the east of us, the Russians attacked Ukraine, so we're pretty close to this town square here in Krakow, Poland, which I believe is on the south part of Poland, and it borders the Ukraine and Germany and Russia. Still wandering. I found this guy. He looks pretty cool. Not sure what he's doing, but he looks pretty cool. This looks like a castle to me. So I don't have a ticket to get in this castle. It's okay. Hopefully they don't throw me into any medieval torture devices or anything, but give it a shot. Take a look at this. Such a peaceful place. Quiet. I'm really digging this old cobblestone street too. It's kind of cool. You can be the president. Once again, I'd rather be the Pope. John Paul from Krakow, Poland. That's right, Grandpa Greg. Still thinking of you. I'm still thinking. See this, Greg? This is Pope's house. I'm standing right in front of it. Lived here from 1951 to 1967, apparently. Pretty cool. Alright, here's the deal. I secretly want to capture some people talking because I love the language. So hopefully we can get some people speaking Polish. Well, here I am. I'm back in the original town square here. So cool. Oh, here we go again. I think it would be 3 feet tall to do this. Wow. Wow, this is great. Polish scepter for a Polish princess. We're doing it. Check this out. What is in here? Holy cow. Wow. Wow. It's like a throne room. Holy cow. Wow. Whew. This is super cool. I'm glad I did this. This is legit. Again, look at me. I'm trying to get down. Thank you. That's cool. It's like the market here. How cool is this? Wow, just this. I've never seen so many birds around me in my life. Look at these birds are like literally on top of me. It's on her hair. Oh my god. Oh, that's so funny. Uh-oh. Look at her. Sweet thing. Hey, I'm taking a picture of you.